Hi students, MCQ number 33. The distance between 2 point charges is increased by 10%. The force of interaction between them, we have to find out whether it has increased than before or decreased than before. So first understanding of the problem is required, my dear students. So two charges Q1 and Q2 coulomb are separated by distance R initially. Afterwards, what is happening? For the same two charges, the distance of separation is increasing by 10% of the initial distance. So initial distance R plus 10 by 100 times R. So this will be R plus R by 10. That is the new distance. Okay. So for the same two charges, I will take F1 is the initial force. So this is inversely proportional to R square. Okay. And here F2 I will take. Force between the same two charges after the distance has increased by 10%. So this is proportional to 1 divided by R plus R by 10 the whole square. So this is proportional to 1 divided by R into 1 plus 1 by 10 the whole square. So this is proportional to 1 divided by R square into 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is 11 by 10 the whole square. Okay. So I will write F2 is proportional to 11 by 10 whole square is what? 121 divided by 100. So that this 100 will come to the numerator. So F2 is proportional to 100 divided by 121 into R square. Now we want to get the ratio of F2 and F1. Therefore F2 divided by F1 is equal to, so F2 is 100 divided by 121 R square divided by F1, R multiplication by 1 by F1. So into R square by 1. So I have substituted for F2 and F1 so that R square get cancelled. So this R square is getting cancelled. So this is equal to 100 divided by 121. This number is less than 1 first of all, isn't it? The numerator is 100, denominator is greater than 100, less than. If you use the calculator means it will come as 0.83. 0.83. Okay. So therefore F2 is equal to 0.83 into F1. So this is equal to what? 83% of the initial force F1. So after increasing the distance by inverse square law, the force must decrease only first of all, isn't it? So the first option can never be the answer. Only the remaining three we have to check. So now we find that now F2 is 83% of the initial force, means by how much the force has decreased is 100 minus 83 is what? 17%. Therefore decrease in force is equal to 17%. 100 minus 83 is 17%. So option C, decreases by 17%, is the right answer. Therefore option C is the correct answer. This is a very interesting problem. I hope you must have understood well.